everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be fixing the slime smoothie that I made. You all remember probably that it was a weird color, so I'm adding glue to maybe lighten it and to soften it. And caution everybody, it's 8 o'clock right now and I'm doing the voiceover, so if my voice sounds weird, then that's why. This is my 70 subscriber special, and I want to thank all of you who have subscribed. I really appreciate it. Now what I'm doing is adding glycerin, and I need a lot of it because this was a really hard slime. It was just terrible. I'm also adding some food coloring because it was a kind of unpleasant color. It was better than I thought it would turn out, but I'm just adding some pink here. I'm really sorry, guys. My house is a little bit old and I have really creaky floors, so if you hear the creaks, I'm sorry. Now, I am assembling this masterpiece with glitter because glitter makes it look better, even if it's not very good in the inside.
What are you going to do with it? It's for a video.
I also decided to drape a layer of clear slime over the top. I don't know, I guess I thought it would just look kind of cool. I do like the color so much more than before. It's not a huge difference, but I really like it. It's also now really nice to play with. And here I'm just going to destroy my masterpiece because that's what I like to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and please subscribe. It would help my channel. Bye.